welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to fix Roblox Failed to create directory error 3. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, there are only 3 simple steps to fix this problem. So first of all, you want to click on the start button and search for run. Okay? Or you can just go ahead and simply press the start button and the letter R on your keyboard. Okay? And then after that, you want to type the percent local updata percent. Okay? So search that. Then now you want to click on Roblox. Okay? So what you need to do is to oh, I'm sorry, you want to sorry, let's go back here. So you don't click on Roblox, okay? So what you need to find is the temp folder, okay? So click on temp folder and then here find the Roblox folder, okay? So just go ahead and right click on this one and delete this folder, okay? So once you've deleted that folder, just need to wait for it. So now once you've deleted the folder, click on the local option here at the upper part of your screen. And now click on Roblox. Okay. So now what you need to do is to create a new folder that has the name downloads. Okay. So once you've done that, by the way, to add a new folder, right click, click new and folder. Okay. So just go ahead and name it for downloads. So I'm just gonna put it like that. Then after that, click on versions. So I'm just gonna delete this one because I already have the downloads folder. Click on versions. And then here you want to click on this folder. Okay. So once you've clicked on that folder, you want to right click on Roblox player launcher.exe. Click on properties. Click on compatibility. And you need to check these two boxes. Okay. To disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK, and do that again on the Roblox player beta. Right click, properties, compatibility, and check these two boxes. Okay, click on apply and OK. Okay, so that's it. Just go ahead and install again your Roblox on your device, and that should fix the problem. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.